Welcome to TurboTalk. Danger lurks on rugged mountain roads, treacherous terrain, and swampy lands. So how do professional log truck drivers overcome these challenges? Prepare yourself before watching this video because you might hold your breath. Let's get started. I'm not saying this is a particularly bad slope or that the slope is too steep, but it seems that the oversized and overloaded load is causing this truck to struggle, even slide down very dangerously, and could flip at any time if the driver does not handle it skillfully, and especially does not have the knowledge and experience in situations like this. Look at the giant logs in the back. The Valmet 8403 truck is a true beast in the forest, effortlessly navigating through mud and heavy rain. Its powerful crane operates with the precision of a skilled surgeon, easily handling massive loads. This machine is a testament to engineering excellence, built to conquer the harshest conditions while maximizing productivity. Watch it dominate the wilderness. Oh my God! What do you think caused this loaded wood truck to flip over while turning on the road? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Holy smokes! That Valtra forestry tractor is an absolute beast. It's tearing through that wet, muddy terrain like it's driving on dry pavement. Just look at the grip and how effortlessly the operator maneuvers that grabber. It's like poetry in motion. Valtra really knows how to build a machine that can take on anything the forest throws at it. This is what I call a logging legend. Check out this classic TT4 skidder. This old Soviet workhorse was built to conquer any terrain, and it's proving its resilience by hauling massive logs through muddy landscapes. It may not be the prettiest machine, but it's a true testament to the power of simple, sturdy engineering. Designed for one purpose, pulling timber out of the harshest conditions, this beast is still getting the job done today. What an incredible machine that deserves all the attention. Hold on to your hats. This Komatsu wheel loader is a true monster. It's like a weightlifter on steroids, effortlessly lifting that giant log as if it were a feather. Just look at the back end lifting off the ground. This machine is operating at peak performance, showcasing raw power and precision. And that operator? Talk about skill. They're maneuvering that massive log with the finesse of a surgeon. This is what happens when advanced technology meets expert craftsmanship. A spectacular symphony of power and precision that will leave you in awe. Oh my goodness! Check out the Logset 6 FGT hauler, absolutely excelling in those swampy conditions. Those tracks are swallowing mud like it's nothing. This machine is built for serious work, hauling a whopping 14 tons of logs with ease. With a powerful engine, it's surprisingly nimble and designed to be extremely reliable with minimal maintenance, saving you both time and money. The Logset 6F is a great machine to keep your logging operation running smoothly, no matter how rough the terrain, how tough it is. This Komatsu bulldozer is an absolute powerhouse. Not only does it effortlessly level the ground, but it also takes on the heavy-duty task of winching those massive logs up steep, soft forestry trails. Its sheer strength and capability make it an essential machine for any logging operation. The RCD 3126 has established itself as a top choice in the wood industry, renowned for its efficiency and robust design. This powerful machine excels at loading and unloading bundles of logs from trucks and piles, impressively capable of handling 2 bundles simultaneously, with a total lifting capacity of 31 tons. Its modular grapples can be effortlessly swapped out to meet varying job requirements, allowing it to operate continuously, up to 8,000 hours a year. Recent modifications have shown that by simply replacing the wheels with a sprocket and bolting the track assembly to the existing planetary housing, the RCD 3126 achieves a significantly smoother ride over stumps and rugged terrain compared to traditional tires. Notably, the same 648 horsepower engines remain in use, with Tiger Cats utilizing rear ends identical to those found in John Deere models. However, not all journeys are straightforward. Take the logging truck convoy, for instance. While crossing a seemingly safe stream was a breeze, the uphill climb presented a daunting challenge. With wheels spinning and slipping, the convoy faced a tough battle that required serious cable pulling to navigate the forestry obstacles ahead. Meanwhile, the Kamama logging truck is bogged down, its cargo piled high with timber. Those slippery roads prove treacherous, and despite the frantic spinning of its wheels, this powerhouse struggles to gain traction. It appears a rescue mission might be necessary to get this beast back on track. Welcome to TurboTalk. Danger lurks on rugged mountain roads, treacherous terrain, and swampy lands. So how do professional log truck drivers overcome these challenges? Prepare yourself before watching this video, because you might hold your breath. Let's get started.